Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for Google Forms. So first of all, open up Google Documents in your web browser. Now once you're at Google Forms, click on these three dots at the top right here and tick this option saying desktop site. Now after you've done so and you've created your form, click on that form. I will be going for this form right here. Now after you're done customizing your form, I'm just going to zoom in a bit, click on send at the top right. Now in here, click on this link button beside send via, just click on it. Now in here, click on this shorten URL button and just copy this link right here. Now after the link has been copied, open up a new tab. Now after the new tab has been opened, type in QR code generator, QR code generator. Click on go. I'm just going to remove my desktop site. Just disable it. Now you can use any QR code generator you want. I will be going for this one right here. Just click on it. And in here, just paste in that copied URL. And after that, click on generate QR code. Now in here, you can modify your QR code. I will be going for, let's say, the first style right here. And after that, just simply click on download and your QR code will be downloaded. But it will ask you to sign up for that purpose. Now what you can do is just simply take a screenshot and just edit that screenshot. I'm just gonna crop this part. Then click on save. And the QR code for your Google form has now been created. So that is how you can create a QR code for your Google form. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your Google form. So first of all, open up Google Forms. Now once you're in Google Forms, open up the form that you want to create a QR code of. I will go for this one right here. So just click on it. Now after you're done customizing your form, click on the send button right here. And in here, click on this link button right here. And in here, select this shorten URL option. And just copy this link. Now after the link has been copied, open up a new tab and type in that new tab QR code generator. You can use any QR code generator you want. I will be going for this one right here. So just click on it. Now after that, you will be at this interface right here. Now in here, just simply paste in that copied code and your QR code will be generated right here. Now you can customize your code from here. I will go for, let's say, the second one right here. And after you're done customizing your QR code, click on download to download your QR code. But for that purpose, they will ask you to log in. Now what you can do is to just take a screenshot. I'm just going to select this area right here. And as you guys can see, my QR code has now been saved, which I can use for various purposes. So that is how you can create a QR code of your Google Forms.